Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can zoom your video through the text. It can be really helpful in the starting of the video or probably in the ending of the video. So first I'll open Filmora, I'll click on stock media and then I'll just select the color which is just gonna be black color. I'll drag the black color, I'll click on titles, I'll select this your default title screen. I'll drag that over here. Then I'll right click on your title. I'll click on advanced edit. And then over here, you can just type your title, whatever you want to. Let's say, for example, for this one, I would like to type tutorial. After that, the font type, you have to type, it should be impact. So you can either select that from the drop down or you can type impact. Font size, it should be 150 or 125 because we want that to be as big as it can. We don't want that to be too big, but of course we want it big. After that, click on apply. So now as you can see, I'm going to take the snapshot of this one. So if you'll click over here, you can take the snapshot and then okay. Now I'll delete this. Now you can drag the snapshot, but drag the snapshot in the second video screen, a second video, not the first one. After that, I'll right click on that. You have to click on crop and zoom. So if you click on crop and zoom, then click on pan and zoom. So you don't have to do anything with the starting screen, but for the ending, if you so basically, we have to make it as small as it can be, but make sure to leave some of the white part over here as you can see. Yeah, I'll tell you why we have to leave that white part. It's going to be helpful at the end. And then click on apply. And then I'll right click on that again. I'll click on duration. And then instead of 5, I'll select 3. Or you can also select actually 4. So now if I'll play this video, as you can see, it's zooming in, but it's not going all the way in. So after that, as you can see the last screen, take the snapshot of this again. Okay. Now drag that snapshot over here, the second snapshot, right click on that snapshot again, crop and zoom, pan and zoom, and then we will adjust the start screen. We'll adjust a little bit over here. As you can see, make sure it should be in the middle of the screen. And then the end screen, we have to adjust it on the white part over here, like this. Make sure it should be as small as it can be. And then click on apply. Once you do that, right click on that second snapshot again, click on duration. Just on the last part on the frame, just I'm gonna type 3 frame. Okay, now let me just make this bigger so it should be easy. Okay, now I'll drag one of the video over here. So for this one, let's say for example, I'm just gonna drag this tutorial over here. So I drag this tutorial video on the second one. Now again, right click on the first image. On this side, you will see image option. So if you'll scroll down, you will see the blend mode. Select the blend mode to multiply. The same thing for second one as well. Select the blend mode to multiply. And now if I'll play our video, then you will see that there we go. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in next episode.